Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your strength on Real Boxing. So let's get started. First, open the Real Boxing game on your device. Tap on the gym option from the top of your screen. In the gym, you will find various training options. Find the strength option and tap on the plus icon right beside it. Finally, a buy option will appear in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it to purchase the strength upgrade. And this is how you can upgrade your strength on Real Boxing. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.